Hi viewers, today topic Principles of Growing and Development. CTET Paper 1. Again repeated. Principles of Growth and Development. CTET Paper 1. Principles of Development of Children. 5 Principles of Child. Physical, social. Physical, running, jumping, social. Alone, with others, sharing. Play. Emotional, third one. Acting out role of the others. Moral, right versus wrong. Intellectual, actors help to children learn language balance. Next one, growth and development. Stages of children development. Every children change the growing and developing organism. Infants lasting up to 5 years. Child lasting up to 12 years. Adolescents 18 years. Grow can define the increases in size, length, height and weight, or changes the quantitative aspects of an organism. Only diseases or severe malnutrition may halt its continuity for some time. This stages is continuous process. 10 things every child needs. Interaction, loving touch, stable relationship, safe healthy environment, self-esteem, engaged conversation, music, reading, play, quantity, child care. The 12 principles is there. Developing and learning important. Learning and development sequence. The process is varying rates from interaction, maturation and experience. Early experience have profound effects towards greater complexity, self-regulations and symbolic. They have secure relationships, occur and influence multiple social and culture, variety of ways, vehicle development, self-regulations and promoting language, advance when children are challenged, motivation approaches. Question answers. Toy age refers. Answer, early childhood. Development leads learning supported by Pygate. Answer, the children developed this creating potential at this age. Answer, later childhood. Which age group is called Gans age group? Answer, later childhood.